Hi everyone, my name is Jalen Cook. I am currently in my third year of teaching. I am a math teacher at Texaco Middle School in Texaco, New Mexico, and I'm currently teaching 7th and 8th grade math. I started on my master's degree in instructional technology this last summer, so I have taken several courses, but I still am just really enjoying the program and learning so much about how to incorporate technology into our classrooms. Now, then, with that being said, I really don't know a whole lot about hypermedia and hypertext. Based on, the little bit of research that I did and the little knowledge I do have, I know that hypertext is involving linking text to other sources. And I also know that hypermedia has something to do with media. So whether it's linking a video or a picture or something to outside resources, but that is about the extent of my knowledge. So I really am looking forward to learning more about those topics and learning how to incorporate them into my classroom. From the little bit that I scanned the community before I made this video, it looks like there's already some really cool things going on. So I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and good luck this semester.